Hello, my name is Sophie Berry. I'm the head of the pre-prep here at DBS, Denler British School. I have been teaching young children in the UK for 20 years and have a wealth of knowledge and experience of education and best practice in the early years curriculum. On Saturday, the 31st of October, I will be sharing this information with you at the parent tutorial, and we will be talking about the British EYFS curriculum that we have embedded here at DBS in our enhanced British curriculum. Our early years at Denler British School focuses on the individual child and their own unique development. We understand the importance of providing children with enriching, wonderful learning experiences and truly value children and their education. Our EYFS curriculum is designed to allow your child to discover interests and talents, as well as equip them to become lifelong learners. Please join us at the workshop to discover how we can encourage your children to reach their full potential by learning through play. We hope you can join us, and we look forward to seeing you there.